Hello guys! In this video I want to show you, in the case that the engine don't start, you will probably have to remove the battery from here and to bring them to the garage to fill them up, to top up the batteries. To remove the battery, you have to remove this box. On each side, remove this. Pull, and on the left side. Now it's free. You can get off the cover. Does it stop? Here are the batteries. Now you have to unscrew here and here, and also to unscrew which is linked to the two part of battery here, here and there. Three parts. The best is to remove this one first, and after this one, and then this one there. Take care when you remove with the key here not to touch the both together, and also not to touch here, because this is a metal part. If you touch it, you have electric arc and it can burn. It can make electricity and then burn you. Very careful, please. And then you remove these two parts, metal parts, which keep the battery very strongly. You remove this and screw here, and then you can take the battery out of this place. Bring them to the garage. When it's finished, you do the opposite. You do the same thing on the other way, and then close everything back. Don't forget to close correctly on the left side and also on the right side. And then with the first video you try to start the engine. Normally it should work. Thank you very much guys. See you.